To improve the sensation at the fingertips, keep your nails cut short. This means that when practicing, the edge of the cut nail constantly exerts pressure on the skin under the edge of the nail, which brings additional blood to that area. As a result, you feel more stable while playing because there is more energy at the tips of the fingers, as well as a better grip on the key and better control over the fingers. Drinking water brings energy to the fingertips. Water makes the skin on your fingertips less dry and slippery. It creates a very clear and precise sensation at the tip of your finger. The effect of drinking water will only be noticed the next day. I would advise you to always have 3 glasses of water on the table beside your piano while practicing. Taking a few sips of water will become an integral part of your practice. Otherwise, it is easy to forget about it. When your muscles are weak, it is hard to relax them fully and release accumulative tension while playing. Without the ability to exhale, the muscles keep inhaling. This leads to a loss of control over the fingers, reduced speed in playing, and it could even cause playing-related injuries. When the abdomen, arm, and finger muscles are trained, it helps distribute tension within the muscles and sustain playing with healthy tension. This, along with other elements of correct tone production, will help you to start building stamina and to play large pieces loud and fast. You can create your own routine using dumbbells. Here are some tips to remember. Exhale while lifting the weight. Start with a 3 kg weight for each hand. Make 8 repetitions of your exercises, then repeat the whole routine faster. While practicing technically challenging pieces, for which playing fast and loud for hours has to be a part of your daily practice, be very aware of the state of your hands. In order to release accumulative tension, take a 30-second break to take a deep breath and with exhalation, release muscle tension. Make a rotating meal exercise to bring blood to the arms and dissolve muscle fluid. If the tension still persists, simply take a break for a day. When you need to play with relaxed hands, yet cling to the keys with your fingertips, slipperiness can become very frustrating. Slipperiness of polished keys against the smooth, dry skin of your fingertips makes the fingertips slide across the surface of the keys instead of clinging to them. This forces you to apply more grip and pressure while playing, which creates unnecessary tension and overwhelming frustration. If you have never before noticed a slippery sensation, wash your hands with soap, dry them, then come back to the piano. Try to play fast passages and notice how you start walking on slippery ice. This sensation is caused by dry skin. This is not a new issue in piano playing. Arthur Rubinstein, for example, used to use hairspray before each performance. As an alternative to this, I suggest using orange juice. You can dip the fingertips in the segment of orange just before the performance and also spray orange juice on a cloth to wipe the keys of the piano on stage. Make sure it has time to dry out before starting playing.